हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ अनुष्का और आज हम अनबॉक्सिंग करने वाले हैं 2 पार्सल्स की। आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर द सेकंड पार्सल टू अराइव सो दैट आई कैन शो यू। मेरे को ब्रेकआउट्स हो रहे हैं ऑन द स्किन एंड आई थॉट ऑफ अपग्रेडिंग माय स्किन केयर बाय buying a bit expensive skincare which is really famous. So मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं थोड़ा कोरियन स्किन केयर करने लगूँ। फर्स्ट टाइम लाइफ में मैंने कोरियन प्रोडक्ट्स लिए एंड आई एम गोइंग टू अनबॉक्स इट, try it and do the first impression in front of you guys. So let's begin. I have nothing on the face. I thought क्योंकि स्किन केयर है तो simultaneously मैं लगाती जाऊंगी, first impression देती जाऊंगी और unboxing करती जाऊंगी. So I have 2 boxes over here which we are going to open and see. दोनों अलग अलग वेबसाइट्स है, दोनों मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राई किया है। एक है पर्पल, the big box which also has makeup and skincare, and this has only skincare. They were pretty quick. So off camera मैंने ये already open कर दिया है। This is from macron.in and they specialize in selling Korean skincare. And let's see इसमें क्या है। The first product मैंने बहुत सुना है, हम सब ने सुना है इसके बारे में। This is from the Advanced Snail 96. This is a viral product and I really wanted to try this. So we are going to open this, but let's see इसमें और क्या क्या है। This has the glow serum which I was waiting for since a really long time. This is also really viral all over the internet. इसे भी हम बाद में खोल के देखेंगे. And the third product which I have, an ampule. Thank you. So I have my husband who's helping me out in checking whether the camera is on focus or not. ये 3 प्रोडक्ट हैं जो आप देख पा रहे हैं. It's all, so this is what we have. I want the softest skin I ever had in the entire life. अगर आप मेरी पुरानी वीडियोस देखोगे और अभी मेरी स्किन देखोगे, I think I have worked really hard on taking care of my skin, but I have neglected my hair. बालों का केयर बिल्कुल नहीं लिया, लगा कि घर की खेती है, चलो देख लेंगे. Skin was never good, so I wanted to focus on that. Now my skin is okay, but my hair, I have started working on both my hair and my skin. I am already in my 30s and I thought it's the right time to invest some amount of money on my skin. Throughout my life, I have always invested money on my skincare, but always affordable ones, never the expensive ones. And I thought of investing now. Let's unbox the other box that I have. You know what? ये purple का box है. And this is the first time I'm ordering from them. And I see a vast difference in the packaging of Purple and packaging of Nykaa. When Nykaa के parcel आते हैं बहुत packed with love होते हैं. It's never randomly stacked. However, this looks like it is really randomly stacked. This is the difference which I see. This box contains random skincare, might not be Korean skincare, but I wanted to invest in some good face wash. So I got 2 face washes for myself. One has salicylic. So this is product number 1 and I have heard a lot about why would they want to patch this looks like very flowy thing. So I have 2 options. This is really gentle on the skin. I have heard a lot about this and I wanted to try this out. And during the night time, I wanted to do a deep cleansing with the second face wash, which has Salicylic acid. I don't know how do we pronounce. The बाकी सब makeup है which I'm not going to include in this video. Oh wow, I have this amazing rosehip oil that I really wanted to try since a long time. It has really great benefits, and now I am entering into this phase wherein I really want to take care of myself using all natural organic products. And using essential oil is such a luxury, and I really wanted to use and inculcate or introduce essential oils in my regime. So I really love using rosemary oil since I'm taking care of my hair. I thought of adding one more essential oil, and this is rosehip essential oil. How can I forget? A skincare is incomplete if you don't have a toner, and I love using rose water as my toner. These are all the brands that I'm using for the first time. I haven't used a single product in my life before, and I'm going to use them for a very first time. And these are all pretty expensive products. Here we go. We are going to Google कि steps क्या है. हमने खरीद तो लिया, हम कोई वो नहीं है कि I'm not like an expert, but you know I love experimenting new skincare, and from last 3-4 months I've been trying a lot of new skincare, and I've been latest I purchased was a minimalistic hyaluronic acid, and I don't know why it's causing me breakouts. My skin is really tough, it's not really sensitive. I don't know what's wrong. So Korean skincare step. And now we got the step. We have the face wash, which is first. Then we have a toner, step 2. Then we have the essence, the ampoule. Then we have the serum. And then if we require a moisturizer, we would seal it with a moisturizer. If you're not using a moisturizer, then I'm going to directly use this oil. This is my 7th step. So we already have my 7-step skincare, and let's try and do a first impression on these expensive skincare.